Makes it easier to lead bolts and spacers through tough-to-reach holes. Ideal for installing a trailer hitch on a vehicle with a hollow frame. Coiled end accepts 3/8-inch diameter threaded bolts. Constructed from spring steel for versatile twisting and bending. 18-inch length. With any towing setup, there is always the need for a few additional items. Though your trailer hitch and ball mount may be tough enough to haul that heavy load, they cannot properly tow without a few supporting players. Towing accessories are a practical addition to your rig that add the finishing touches and take your towing experience to a whole new level. With the right accessories, the difference is a little like cruising the Grand Canyon in a deluxe RV as opposed to camping out in Grandma's backyard. CURT fish wires are a special towing accessory to be used during the installation of a trailer hitch. Sometimes, a hitch installation will require bolts to be mounted on the inside of a hollow vehicle frame. The fish wire makes it easier to lead bolts through these tough-to-reach holes by screwing onto the bolt and allowing you to fish it through with ease. CURT fish wires are constructed from spring steel and measure 18 in length. This particular fish wire features a bolt coil diameter of 3/8. You never know what obstacles the road before you might bring. The key to overcoming them is to be prepared. From proper safety precautions to quality hitch maintenance, you can count on CURT to have the products you need to come prepared and always bring it. Top reviews from the United States. Great for Jeep owners. If you have a Jeep Cherokee with all the welded nuts on the frames, you will eventually break a weld nut free, and when you try to loosen the bolt, it will simply spin the nut. These will help you run a bolt back through the frame after you punch out the cut bolt and spinning nut portion.